In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can use cloves to boost your hair growth. Cloves is a natural ingredient that is really great for our natural hair. I know most of you are familiar with cloves, but if you are not, then you're at the right place, because at the end of this video, you're going to learn so much about cloves that you will want to give it a try. Cloves can help you grow your bald spot. It can help you grow back your edges. If you have thinning of the hair, it also can help with premature growing of the hair. When I lost my edges and my hair was thinning out, cloves was one of the natural ingredients that really helped me grow my hair faster. If you really want to know how I use cloves to grow my hair, make sure you're watching this video to the end. Let's get to it. One of the reasons why I love cloves is that it's very inexpensive and very easy to find. I mean, you can find cloves at anywhere, at your grocery store or your local market. Well, let me show you how I prepare the first recipe. I start by grinding my cloves. You can use a blender or any means you have, but I am going the local way because my blender cannot handle the cloves. Alright, you can also use a powdered cloves if that is what you prefer. After grinding it like so, I'm going to add my carrier oil. I'm going to use extra virgin olive oil today, but feel free and use any oil that works for your hair. I love olive oil because of what it does to my hair. It can help prevent dandruff. It is lightweight, so it's easily absorbed by the hair strands. It can add some shine to the hair and also help you grow your hair much faster. But you do not have to use the same oil. You know, each and everybody have something that works for their hair. So feel free and use any oil like sunflower oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, or any oil of your choice. Well, the next ingredient I'm going to add is my coconut oil. Coconut oil is really great for our natural hair. It is lightweight, so it's easily absorbed into the hair strands. It can help prevent dandruff, dry, itchy scalp, and also prevent hair breakages. Okay, so I add these 2 oils together with the cloves and give it a good stir. And girl, you know how we do here. Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell, so each time I upload videos like these, you will be notified. On this channel, I do hairstyle tutorials. I also do DIYs that can help you grow your hair much faster. So make sure you join us by subscribing. So we're going to leave the mixture in a pot of boiling water for about 20 to 25 minutes, or till you feel the oil is really warm. After that, you take it out and let it cool down at a room temperature. And this is what we're having now. So after it's all cooled down, you're going to grab, your cheesecloths or your wake up. But hey girl, make sure you do not use that dirty, sweaty wake up. You need something clean because you do not want to contaminate your oils. So if you are using any, wake ups or something, make sure that thing is extremely clean and sanitized before you use it to strain our oil. All right, let's move on to the next step. So what we need now is our shea butter. Shea butter is great for our natural hair. If you're growing, especially fussy hair, and you do not have shea butter in your cabinet, girl, you are missing out. Shea butter can help you grow your hair faster. It can also help moisturize your hair, prevent dandruff, and also dry, itchy scalp. All right, so I put some shea butter in a mason jar like so, and we're going to do the same process. We're going to leave it in a pot of boiling water for about 15 to 20 minutes until it melts like so. And look at that. Look at that yummy oil. This is exactly what we need. This is our shea butter oil. So at this point, we're going to mix the 2 oils together. And that is going to do the trick. And hey, girl, you still watching? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell. So each time I upload DIYs like this, you'll be one of the people to be notified. Hey, if you really want to be notified, do not forget to click on that bell. All right, so these are some little ingredients I'm going to add to this whole treatment to make it work even better. The first oil I'm going to add is my vitamin E oil. This is really great for our natural hair. It can help you grow your hair. Also, the tea tree oil. Just read it on the bottle. You're going to see so many benefits of the tea tree oil. It's really good for our scalp. It helps with dandruff. If you have itchy scalp, tea tree oil will help resolve that. And also my lavender oil. I love the fragrance of lavender oil. Aside the fragrance, this oil can also boost hair growth because it works on your scalp and help you grow much thicker and healthier hair. And if you are growing fussy natural hair and you do not know about Jamaican black castor oil, girl, You are missing out on something good. This oil is the bomb, okay? This can help you grow much thicker hair. If you have thinning hair, if you are balding, this is your go-to oil. Make sure you rub this oil on your edges and thank me later. All right, so I'm going to mix all the oils together, put it in the refrigerator till the whole oil becomes solid like so. Then after that, I'm going to whisk it away. And girl, I know you are already watching this. So make sure you show your girl some love and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell. Look at that batter. Look at that. This batter is going to do so much wonders to your hair, and you really need to add it to your hair regimen. Let's go on to the second recipe. Of course, we still need our cloves. So with the second recipe, let me show you how I'm going to use the cloves to help you grow your hair. So we get a mason jar like so. Then what we're going to do is we're going to put our cloves in the mason jar. Then we're going to add warm water. Make sure the water is warm. With the second recipe, I'm going to show you two different ways that you can make it. So make sure you're watching closely. And hey guys, make sure you are watching this video to the end. Do not skip any part of it, because I'm going to show you three different treatments. And even with the second recipe, I'm going to show you two different ways that you can make it. And also towards the end of this video, guess what? I'm going to show you the best way to use this to boost your hair growth. So make sure you're watching to the end. Make sure you stay with me, girl. All right, so after that, you just put it in a mason jar, cover it. And this one, the longer, the better. The longer you leave it, the better. So you can leave it as so many days as you want. Or if you really need to use it, you can use it as quick as you want. But if you really want to use it very fast, I'm going to show you the second method to do this, and that will be ready in 10 minutes. So just stay tuned and make sure you are watching. So after that, you just add any oil of your choice. I love to add my Jamaican black castor oil because I just love that oil. But you don't have to add the same oil. You can add any oil of your choice. Any oil that works for your hair, because we all have different hair. You might love a different oil than what I do love. So just feel free and add it. After that, I'm going to give it a good stir. You all know that water and oil do not really mix together. So you just do your magic by trying to mix it as much as you want. So you see that it's all mixed together. Then after, you're going to transfer it into your spray bottle to make the use very easier. All right, so with the second recipe, this is a different way that you can prepare it. Instead of leaving it in a mason jar with a warm water, you can boil a pot of water, leave your cloves in it, let it boil for 10 minutes, and the water will be ready in 10 minutes. Then you can add all your oils. This is the fastest way that you can prepare your cloves water. All right, ladies, let's move on to the third recipe. It's the third, but not the least. It's actually the bomb. So make sure you are watching to the end. Okay, so with the third recipe, I'm going to put some cloves in the pot like so. And you do not need so much cloves. A little cloves will go a long way. Cloves are really potent. So the little you use, you can get so much water from it. Then after that, I'm going to put in my cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon sticks are really great for natural hair. It's great for your scalp. It can help with scalp issues. And it can also help grow your hair much faster. You know, guys, our natural hair grows from our scalp. So whatever will help treat your scalp to make it healthier is better, because it's going to help you grow much healthier hair. And this is what we have it now. This treatment is the bomb, guys. You need to give this a try, and it's very easy to prepare. So after boiling for about 10 minutes, or you see the color change like so, you're going to strain it. Then after straining it, I'm going to show you what you're going to do next. But before I do, girl, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, I hope you have already subscribed and clicked on the bell. But if you haven't done so, please, what are you waiting for? Make sure you do so right now. I'm going to show you the best way to use these treatments to boost your hair growth, because it's one way of learning how to make this recipe, and it's another of learning how to use it. Because if you do not use it the right way, you're not going to experience all the benefit. So the first way that I'm going to use this is after a wash day. So my hair is all washed, it's all dry. It needs some love. So I'm going to give it some TLC. Okay, so I started with my leave-in conditioner, which I use the TGIN leave-in conditioner. You do not have to use that. You can use your own leave-in conditioner. Then after that, I went in with my oil, and this is my cloves butter. So this is how you can use the butter, guys. You can do the LOC or the LCO method, which is your leave-in, your conditioner, and your oil or your cream. So you're going to use the clove butter as your cream. Guys, make sure you are rubbing it into your scalp, onto your edges. If you have any burden, you make sure to get it in there. Then after that, you put your hair in a protective hairstyle. Then you can use your hairspray each and every day. You can use every other day or as often as you want. It's all natural and really safe for your hair. The smell is actually good because we added some, lavender oil and other essential oils. But you're going to love this treatment. So give it a try and let me know your thoughts on this. Thank you so much for watching this video today. And I hope to see you at my next video. Bye.